Hello, hello. Good morning and welcome to Joshua Tree National Park. First time trying this solar setup. Just got a 100-watt panel from Amazon. I'm actually supposed to use 200 watts with this unit, but I don't mind it being a little bit slow to charge. I also have a 12-volt charger for the car, and of course a wall charger. Okay, it's only 40 minutes later, but let's see where we're at right now. So it went from 78 to 83. 40 minutes, 5%, and it's drawing in 83 watts right now. I'm going to turn it a little bit because the sun moved, but we're getting some power. That's good. So after an hour and 50 minutes, we went up 11%. There are some really tall Joshua trees over here. Oops, this guy's really tall.
It's nice and toasty, man.
This will keep us going for a little while. I don't know, it doesn't look like a lot of wood, to be honest with you.
Well, I went through 3 stacks of mine, so.
Well, we'll see. Hopefully, I mean, it looks like this wood might last a while.
Oh, this is nice.
That's their dog. I thought it was. He has the same bark as Flynn.
Ugh.
Oops, there we go. Do a little bit more. One egg is enough.
I'm
not that hungry.
A vest like this, I thought it was going to be so cold in Yosemite, and you plug it in, and it has a battery.
Oh,
and
yeah.
it warms the whole vest up.
Yeah, I've seen those.
And it worked for 2 days. and I think something got detached here.
Oh no.
And then I just, oh hell with that. It was like $59.
I've seen those on, I thought about that. That
The wire was probably weak or too sensitive to be moved or what have you. So.
It's nighttime, and it says it's 38 degrees on my car's thermostat. Feels colder outside. You can see your breath. It might be a little bit colder, but it is really, really chilly. Flynn is sleeping already. He's on an electric blanket. I'm gonna get into my warm pajamas and my sleeping bag, and I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Oh. Good morning, Flynn. It's our last morning here. We're gonna be heading home in a few hours. Did you sleep okay? Yeah, you were a little cold at night. Good morning. We're heading home in a couple of hours. I don't know if you can see our view here, but it's even through the dirty window, you can see how pretty it is outside. The air is cold. Ooh. I'm gonna get up and make some coffee and get the day started. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Coffee is ready. This is our last walk at Ryan Campground, Joshua Tree National Park. Just walking around here. So pretty here, isn't it? Such a pretty campground. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.